The promise of direct-to-consumer health technology in Southeast Asia is booming, fueled by a digitally savvy population eager for personal health insights. However, a quiet regulatory update in Malaysia last week serves as a critical warning for global MedTech companies relying on this model. The Medical Device Authority, or MDA, issued a clarification on its personal use importation exemption. While the exemption still exists, the enforcement standards for what qualifies as personal use versus what is considered an unregistered commercial import have been significantly tightened. This move directly impacts the shipment of devices sold online and delivered across borders to individual consumers. Let's consider a real-world scenario that is now unfolding. A company based outside Malaysia sells an innovative, non-invasive continuous glucose monitor directly to consumers. Previously, these single-unit shipments to Malaysian customers often passed through customs under the personal use exemption. As of last week, this is no longer a reliable pathway. Customs officials are now more rigorously questioning these shipments, asking for proof of registration in the MedTech system, which these products do not have. This means devices are being detained, creating a logistical nightmare for the supplier and a frustrating experience for the customer who has already paid. This is not just a customs issue, it signals a fundamental shift. The MDA is closing a loophole to ensure that any medical device used by its citizens, regardless of how it was purchased, has been vetted for safety and efficacy through official channels. This reflects a broader trend across ASEAN, where regulators are playing catch-up to the rapid growth of digital health and cross-border e-commerce, prioritizing consumer safety over frictionless market access. For MedTech innovators, this means the strategy of testing the market through direct sales before committing to a full registration process is becoming increasingly risky. The old gray areas are rapidly turning into solid red lines. Navigating these nuanced and shifting regulations requires more than just reading the guidance documents. It demands real-time, on-the-ground intelligence. Having a local partner who understands the shifting enforcement priorities of authorities like the MDA is crucial for building a sustainable business strategy in the region. For expert guidance on securing your market access in Malaysia and across ASEAN, we invite you to email or visit Pure Global.